Alright, so let's finish up our problem from yesterday. So you should have already tried to come up with your own plan. You should have tried to solve it and justified your answer. When I go over it, this is for you to check your work and change anything you need to change, okay? So yesterday we did our cube strategy and we wrote our understand statement. And I'm going to review my understand statement so I know what to plan for. I will find the amount Ty spent for drum lessons in July, August, and September. Okay, so in my plan, I need to look at July, August, and September, and I'm putting those all together. So when you draw a strip diagram for those, they all need to be on the same line because I'm going to be adding them all together. All right, so I need 3 parts at the top, and I need to put 108, 78, and then 65. Okay, and these were for drum lessons, so I'm going to make my variable a D for drum. So my number sentence would be 108 plus 78 plus 65 equals, and my variable is D. All right, so you can choose to add these however you want. I've been using the standard algorithm quite a bit to add these, so I'm going to break them apart by place value this time, okay? So my first number is 100 plus, I have a 0 in the tens place, and then plus 8. Nothing in my hundreds, so then my next one is 70 plus 8, and then 60 plus 5. And then you add them up, and I just start with my ones place. So 8 plus 8 would give me 16, and 16 plus 5 would give me 21. Well, I can only put 1 here, so I'm going to bring my 20 to my tens column. All right, so I put my plus sign there too. So now I need to add 70 plus 60 plus 20. Well, I know 7 plus 6, I can do it this way. 7 plus 6 is 13, so that would be 130, 140, 150. Well, I can only put tens down here, so 5 tens, and I'm going to bring 100 right across. 100 plus 100 gives me 200, so my answer is 251, okay? Now, if you absolutely don't like doing it that way, then you can do it the standard algorithm. You can work it more than one way even to check your answer. Okay, so here's my standard algorithm. 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. So look, same thing, 2 tens, there it is, that's 20, same thing. 7 plus 6 is 13, 14, 15, there's my 50. I bring my 100 over, 250. So 251 for drum lessons. Now, I need to tell why I chose to add. So I added because. Now we're going to justify. Because we needed the amount for all 3 months. Okay, so I was looking for a total amount.